king has distributed all his rare jewels in 3 boxes. The first box contains 1/3 the number of rare jewels that he had. So let's say if you have x number of rare jewels, the first box contains x by 3 number of jewels, while the second box contains k by 5 of the rare jewels. So the next box is k by 5 times of x. So this will be the next jewel. For some positive integer value of k, very clearly given to you, you are not looking at fractional values, you are looking at integer values and positive integer values. The third box contains 66 rare jewels. So if I add all of these 3 values, it should give me the total number of jewels, which is x. That means what? Kx by 5 plus of 66 becomes equals to 2x by 3. Correct? Now take all your x on one side and try to frame an equation there. It will become 66 is equals to 2x by 3 minus of kx by 5. So if you look at this, 15 becomes your LCM. If you multiply this by 5, it will become 10x. And if you multiply this by 3, minus 3kx becomes equals to 66. That's the number that you are looking at. So now if you look at this, it will become 66 into 15 is equals to 10x minus of 3kx. If you take your x common, it will turn out to be what? 10 minus of 3k should be equals to 66 into 15. Right? Now, let's understand what can be the values of x. On your left hand side, you have a positive value, which is 66 into 15. So your right hand side should also give you a positive value. Also understand this thing that x is the number of jewels, so it will never be negative. That means this will be positive, then this should also be positive. For this to be positive and k has to be an integer, positive integer, then the only 3 possible values for k are 1, 2 and 3. These are the only 3 positive values possible for k. Now, if you take k equals 1, then what equation do I get? 66 into 15 is equals to x times of 7. Now that will not give me x as an integer, correct? So this is rejected. Take k as 2, then what will I get? I'll get x times of 4 is equals to 66 times of 15. Your left hand side does not have a 4 in it. It has only got 1, 2 in it, and hence again x will not be an integer. Take k is equals to 3, then it becomes what? 10 minus of 9, which is 1. So x becomes equals to 66 into 15, which is the number of jewels that we are talking about. 15 into 6 is 90, and 990 turns out to be the value of x. That's the only possible value of x for the number of jewels. Option D, 990 becomes the answer for this question.